Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Shantini Bhattacharya, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Katankuladu, Chennai. Today, I am going to start the third lecture video of the kernel map. Here, basically, I am giving I'll explain the four variable kernel map. Previously, I have completed the 2 and 3 variable kernel map and what is SOP, what is POS form, everything I have already completed. If you didn't watch this video, then go and watch this video, then it will be helpful to understand the four variable kernel map. Now, first of all, this is actually, first of all, before going to the four variable representation, first of all you have to know how to represent the four variable number. So here previously in the case of 3 variable, 2 variable, I have already said how you have to represent 3 variable all the number. Here basically I have given the example how to represent the four variable number. So four variable are basically x, y, z, w. Okay, so here x is the higher order variable and y is the lower order variable. So now you have to remember this form 8 4 2 1. This combination you have to remember. This is the for 4 variable. Okay, so previous video I have said for 3 variable you have to remember 4 2 1. If it is 2 variable, then you have to remember 2 1. Okay, so in this way it is coming. So as it is a 4 variable, so you have to consider 8 4 2 1. So now you have to represent that means 4 variable means how many combinations? So to the power 4 means 16 combinations will be there. So here in this case in a binary or digital electronics, here it is represented from 0 to 15. Okay, so not from 1 to 16, from 0 to 15. Okay, so here 0 is represented as 0 0 0 0. Okay, so any any other place we will apply any one value. Okay, then 1 means here we have to put 1 here with respect to where the 1 is there. Then we will represent 2 means in the position of 2 you have to put 1, in other position you have to put 0. Then 3 means 2 plus 1. Okay, in the position of 2 and 1 you have to put 1 value, in other position you have to put 0 value. Then 4 means in 4 value, that means in 4 value you have to put only 1, in other you have to put 0. 5 0 1 0 1, because 4 plus 1 5. Then 6 0 1 1 0, then 4 plus 2 6. Then 7 0 1 1 1, that means 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. 8, that means 8, there is 8 is there, so we have to put only 1 here, and other position we have to put 0. 9, that means 1 0 0 1, that means 8 plus 1 9. 10 1 0 1 0, that means 8 plus 2 10. Then 1 0 1 1, this is 8 plus 2 plus 1, that means 11. Then 1 1 0 0, 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4 is 12. So in this position we will put only 1, other position 0. Then 13 1 1 0 1, that means 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. 14 1 1 1 0, that means 8 plus 4 12 and plus 2. Okay, here also 2, that means 12. Okay, 14. Okay, then 15 means 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this is actually the 8 4 2 1 combinations. Okay, so now you have to understand how to represent. All of you know I am talking about the soft form. So in the case of soft form, 0 is represented as a complemented form and 1 is represented as a variable only. So here all our variables are 0, so it is represented as x bar, y bar, z bar, w bar. Okay, then x bar, y bar, z bar, w, then x bar, y bar, z, W bar. Okay, in this way all the other you have to write. Okay, now I am going to the next part, that means 4 variable kernel map. First of all, you have to know how to actually write all 4 variable component. Now you have to find out 4 variable kernel map means how many number of cells will be there. So 2 to the power 4 means 16. So from 0 to 15 number of cells will be there. That means total 16 cells. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this part is over. Then next work is you have to find out that which cell, each and every cell number. Okay, that means which cell is 0, which cell is 1, which cell is 2. You have to find out this. Okay, so here I have written AB here, CD here. AB is higher order variable, and the number will come like that, A, B, C, D. Okay, so A is a higher order, then next is B, then next is C, then is D. Okay, so lower is actually D. So here after that you have to write all these terms, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. This is all the combination. Here also 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Then next step is you have to find out each and every cell's number. Okay, so you have to count from here A B C D. Okay, not A B D C. The number is A B C D. So same way you have to follow. Okay, so here 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 is 0. Okay, so I have already said all the representations. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 3 0 0 1 0 is 2 0 1 0 0 4 0 1 0 1 5 0 1 1 1 7 0 1 1 0 6 1 1 0 0 12 1 1 0 1 13 1 1 1 1 15 1 1 1 0 14 1 0 0 0 8 1 0 0 1 9 1 0 1 1 11, and last is 1 0 1 0 is 10. Now and all this representation I have already said how to represent all this number. Now coming to the next part, how you simplify by using 4 variable kernel map. So this is the question that the examiner will give you this type of question. So this type of question, or they can give you right summation of 0 1 like that. Okay, so this is another way of the question, that each and every term they already mentioned. Okay, so what is the step 1? Draw the kernel map and label properly. Fill up the cells by 1 as per given function which you want to simplify. Okay, that means whatever the term here it is mentioned, you have to put 1 at that position. Okay, then encircle adjacent ones, making groups starting from big to small. That means first of all here you can form 3 different type of grouping. That means here first it will come quad. Okay, it will come octet. Octet means 8 1, wherever 8 1 will be there, you can form an octet. Then quad, then pair. So first of all we only concentrate whether we have to concentrate that whether any octet you can form or not. If it is possible, then you have to form a octet, then you have to go to quad. Okay, so if at first if I cannot see that here no, not possible any octet formation, so we will go to next the quad formation. If quad formation is also not possible, then we will go to the pair formation. So first our main concentration to find out any octet, is it possible or not. If it is not possible, then how many number of quad is possible. Okay, so here already written, write the terms represent the groups. Okay, then final minimum Boolean expression corresponding to KMF will be obtained by ORing all the terms obtained above. Now I am going to the representation. Here first of all 16 cells are there. Then they have already put the value of ones which are mentioned here. Okay, now you have to basically form a group. So here first of all we have to check any octet is formed or not. So no, any 8 number of ones are there, so no octet here it will form. Okay, so now we have to go to the quad formation. So here one quad we can form, another also quad we can form, and after that there are 2 ones are there, so we can form a pair. So now final expression, how we will write the final expression. So here first of all I considered this which are basically represented as the horizontal ones. So all horizontal ones basically share 1 row and 4 columns. Okay, so 4 columns that basically represented as alternatively 2, that means C component are 0 1 0 1 2 times, and also D component 0 1 0 1, so we can cancel out each other. Okay, so here whenever these 4 columns will be there, you cannot watch anything, just directly neglect all the term. Okay, so now we will only concentrate on this value. This is actually A bar B. So one term already we have got, A bar B. Now we will concentrate on this quad. Okay, so here it will actually share 2 row and 2 columns, so we have to choose which we can cancel, so which term basically. So here basically C and D component is there, and here A and B component is there. In this case C and D component, here basically D is in the 0 and 1, so we can cancel D component because D is in the D bar and D, okay, form, so we can cancel out this D component. So here from this 2 column we can get C bar, okay, because it is 0, and here also from AB we can cancel B component because this is in a 0 and 1 form, so we only consider A. So A is in the form of A bar, so from this quad we will get the answer A bar and C bar. So this is the answer, A bar C bar. Now we have to concentrate on this pair. It shares 1 row and 2 column. So here 1 row and 2 column, first of all we have to choose which between these 2 column which component we can cancel out. So it is actually C is in the 0 and 1 form, so we can cancel the C component. Okay, so it will come A is in it is actually AB is 1 0 form, that means A B bar D. So final result will come A B bar D. So this is the final expression. So in this way you have to solve the 4 variable Carnot map. So next another example I have given, so which is another some tricky question is like that. So sometimes examiner will give you this type of equation, okay, where all that means in all term all the variables are not there. So here in the first, second and third component already we have seen that this is a 4 variable, okay, because A B C D is there. So last 3 component all 4 variables are there, but in the first 3 component all 4 variables are not there, so we cannot start in this way. So before going to start each and every component all variable should be present, okay. So we have to start the equation in this way, that B bar C bar into A plus A bar, that means B bar C bar dot 1, that means A plus A bar, according to Boolean algebra law A plus A bar equals to 1, so B bar C bar dot 1 or B bar C bar is same. Similarly A B bar into C plus C bar, okay, and also A B C bar into D plus D bar. So other forms are already 4 variables, so we will not do anything with this 3 term, okay. So now we just multiply like that, B bar C bar A plus B bar C bar A bar plus A B bar C plus A B bar C bar plus A B C bar D plus a, b, c bar, d bar. Other components are same. Then this 1, 2, 3, 4 component, we can see that there is also d component is missing. So for this purpose we will add against d in the same way. After that we will multiply and the final equation will come like that. So now each and every component or term, if you can say, each and every term there is a 4 variables are present. Now you can start for Carnot map. Now we will just represent, first of all we will form a 4 variable Carnot map, and then we will put the value wherever these values are given 1. In other section you can put 0 value, or you cannot put 0 value, just leave all these places. Okay. Now we have to first check whether any octet is possible or not. So I have seen that no octet is possible here, so we have to go to the quad form. So in this case we can form a pair. Here yellow yellow one group is there, this is also octet, and this red marker which is also 4 ones are there, so we can form in this way also 4 1. Just if you fold the paper like that, then this actually these 2 1 and these 2 1 come close together. So in this way you have to basically think. Sometimes you have this type of quad also form, so you have to think in this way. Okay. So now final expression, how first of all we consider this 4 1 which are basically in circle is a blue border. So here first of all or this actually shares 1 row and 4 columns. So whenever I already told, whenever 4 column is there, we just cancel out all 4 component. Okay. So we only consider on this value. So this is actually a b bar. So a b bar is there. Now we will concentrate this yellow mark portion. So here it shows, it actually shares 2 rows and 2 columns. So we have to choose which one we have to cancel. Okay. So from this 2 column there is actually d we can cancel. Okay, because d is in the form of 0 and 1, and so it will come c bar from here, and in this 2 row we can cancel b component because b is in the form of 1 and 0, so we only consider a and c bar, a and c bar. So now there is another quad is there. So this quad also shares 2 row, that means first and last row, and this 2 column. So in the first and last row we can cancel only a, because a is in the form of 0 and 1. B bar, so from here b bar, and when we only consider 2 columns, so here we can cancel d. So because d is in the form of 0 and 1, so from here it will come c bar, and from there it will come b bar. So b bar, c bar. So this is actually the final expression. There is another example I have given. So the question may come in this way also. The 3 different way, that means first of all I have given you an example this type. So in this way the question can come, direct question, just all term it is mentioned, you have to put all ones in a proper location, then you have to find out the group, and then you have to find out the final Boolean expression. Next is this type of question also may come, where you have to first find out the proper equation, then you have to go for Carnot map. And last one is this that means summation is here, that means you have to understand that they are talking about the soft expression. Okay, so in this the position which are basically mentioned, in this position you have to put 1 value, in other position you can put 0, or you cannot put 0, you just leave this place. and you have to encircle this one position. So this first of all you have to find out whether any octet is possible. No, here is no octet is possible, so we will go next to the quad. So here 2 1, here 2 1. If I fold the page in this way, then this 2 1 and this 2 1 will come together. Okay, so in this way we can form one quad. Okay, then there is a pair we can form, and these two ones are there, we have to form a pair, no any other option. So now final expression will come from the quad. Quad is actually, it shares two column, that means A bar, B bar and AB bar, and these two rows, that means CD and CD bar. So from these two row we can cancel A bar component, because A bar component, A component, that means A is in the form of A and A bar, so we only consider B bar. And from the row we can cancel D component, because D is in the form of D and D bar, so we only consider C here, and here only consider B bar. So B bar and C, B bar and C component is there. Now we will go to the first pair. It actually shares one row and two columns. So one row we cannot compare with any other thing, so A bar B bar component will definitely come. So we have to choose from this two column which we have to actually neglect. So from this two column, here C is actually in the C bar and C form, so we can cancel C component. Okay, so the finally it will come from this pair A bar B bar D. So this is the term A bar B bar D. Now we will concentrate on this pair. It shares one column and two rows, so definitely column will not compare with any other column, so C bar D bar will definitely come. So from this two row, which one we can cancel? B component we can cancel, because B is in the form of B and B bar, so A component we can choose. So A C bar D bar, so this is the component A C bar D bar. So final expression will be in the soft form, so all these ANDed form we have to add. So this is in the OR form. Okay, so this is the final expression. Now thank you so much for watching my video. Keep watching my all videos. If you have any doubt, give me in a comment section. You can write your problem, so I am trying to solve this problem. Thank you so much. Keep watching.